Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock a new recipe, Mandarin Jam. First, make sure you already have the original jam recipe. You can get this recipe from Massimo. And then next, just go to your stove and tap it like this. And then just choose the original jam recipe or mixed jam like this. And then next, just replace all the ingredient with the mandarin like this. And when you're done, just simply tap on start cooking like this, and then just cook the jam. And okay, like this. Usually there will be a special unlock animations when you first time unlock it, but in my case there's no animations because I have already unlocked this recipe before. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.